First of all, you type iTunes 12 download in your browser, then click this link, scroll down, then click the blue download button. I already have it downloaded, so I'll cancel it. Get your iPod and long press the power button, then slide to power off. Plug your charging cable to your PC, and here you really have to be careful. Long press your home button, then instantly plug your iPod to the charging cable. Keep pressing the home button until the iTunes Restore screen shows up. This dialog box will appear in iTunes, then you click on OK. Click on the Restore iPod button, then click on Restore and Update. Now you'll keep waiting for the iPod and make sure to keep it plugged in. You might hear the disconnection and connection sounds, but that's normal. If done successfully, you'll get this dialog box that says the iPod has been restored, but we're still not done. Click OK. You'll get another iTunes Restore screen, and iTunes will bring you to the setup screen. I already had a backup restore, but for now, I'll set this up as a new iPod. Click Continue. Then the iPod will start syncing to iTunes. Wait for the iPod to fully sync. And there you go. Your iPod has been successfully restored to iOS 4.2.1. If you encounter any problems, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll try my best to fix it. Thanks for watching. A sub would be appreciated, and I hope this helped.